Tired of dead-end leads and struggling to connect with property owners? Well, get ready to unlock a game-changing feature, Propstream's powerful skip tracing capabilities that will help you connect with those hard-to-reach property owners. First, start by identifying the property owners you want to contact within Propstream. And you can do that by searching for specific properties in your target area using the search bar. Next, navigate to the property details page and look for the Skiptrace button. Often found near the owner's information, it might be grayed out if you haven't already initiated a Skiptrace for that property. Once you click the Skiptrace button, Propstream will prompt you to use one of your Skiptrace credits, review the cost, and initiate the Skiptrace to begin the process. Propstream then scours multiple data sources, public records, and proprietary databases to locate the most up-to-date contact information associated with the property owner. Within minutes, Propstream will provide you with a list of potential phone numbers, email addresses, and mailing addresses for the property owner. Now you have the contact information needed to reach out, build rapport, and potentially close deals, so skip tracing on Propstream can save you time and effort, enabling you to focus on what matters most, connecting with potential leads and growing your real estate business.